Welcome to Mumbai Central Railway Station. This station is managed by the Western Railway Zone of Indian Railways. This station is a major stop for local and intercity express trains with separate platforms. The station is divided into two parts. The eastern half of the station serves long-distance trains, while the western half serves local trains running on the Churchgate-Virar suburban line. The station has 4 platforms for local trains and 5 platforms for the main intercity line. The station has 3-foot overbridges. The mainline platforms are wheelchair accessible from the south end.
The station has an east entrance for the intercity trains section and a west entrance from the local line section. East entrance has a passenger reservation center and ticket counters for intercity trains. The ground floor of the east entrance building includes enquiry counters, refreshment rooms, toilets, AC waiting, a parcel office, a cloak room, a child help desk, a railway police force office and an ATM. The first floor has facilities that include first-class waiting rooms, reservations and a booking office. The second floor of the building has retiring rooms and a dormitory. The station manager's office is in the entrance hall of the main building. The west and south exits of the local trains section of the station have ticket counters for local trains. Local train tickets can also be purchased from automatic ticket vending machines located at several locations in the station premises.
Toilets and the station master's office are at local line platforms 1-2. Foot overbridge 1 has stairs at intercity platforms 5-1 and further connects to local line platforms with stairs at platforms 4-1 and exits to the local line entrance. Escalator is present at the local line platforms 1-2. Foot overbridge 2 has stairs at intercity platforms 5-1. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate wheelchair users boarding the train. Foot overbridge 3 has stairs and escalators at intercity platforms 5-1. Braille signboards have been installed in all the offices and facilities, like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. Water booths are available on all platforms. Station map in Braille and English that gives an overview of the station premises and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. It connects to local line platforms with stairs at platforms 4 to 1 and exits to the local line entrance. Scannable sign language video and audio information about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the QR codes installed at various locations. The railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the QR codes installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by India Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank Enable India and executed by Anuprayas.